Please welcome RJ Scaringe, founder and chief executive officer of Rivian.
We are incredibly excited to host everybody here today. Our approach to building self-driving is really designed around this data flywheel. We're a deployed fleet, has a carefully designed data policy that allows us to identify important and interesting events that we can use to train our large model offline before distilling the model back down into the vehicle. And at the core of this platform, our first in-house Rivian Autonomy processor.
The Rivian Autonomy Processor, or RAP1 as we call it, is a first in a series of silicon built for physical AI. We have shown that our third-gen autonomy hardware system is capable of processing 5 billion pixels per second of sensor data. We have a multimodal sensor strategy that provides a rich and diverse set of data for our AI models to operate on. We expect that at launch in late 2026, this will be the most powerful combination of sensors and inference compute in consumer vehicles in North America.
When we surveyed customers this year on the autonomy capabilities they wanted the most, they wanted more road coverage for hands-free highway assist. Now, previously, we supported 135,000 miles of divided highways. Universal hands-free unlocks over 3.5 million miles of hands-free driving on roads across the US and Canada. If there's a painted line and it's clearly marked, you can now drive hands-free.
Starting in 2026, we'll begin rolling out point-to-point capabilities in which the vehicle can drive address to address. The next major step beyond point-to-point will be eyes off, meaning you can navigate point-to-point with your hands off the wheel, but importantly, your eyes off the road. And this gives you your time back. You can be on your phone or reading a book, no longer needing to be actively involved in the operation of the vehicle. And following eyes off, the next major step will be personal level 4. And with this, the vehicle will operate entirely on its own.
This is one of our prototype R2 vehicles. From afar, it looks the same as the R2 many of you have seen and come to love. But if you zoom in closer and look up front, you can see the LiDAR.
Adding LiDAR creates the ultimate sensing combination. It gives the most comprehensive 3D model of the space the vehicle is traveling through.
The Rivian Unified Intelligence is the connective tissue that runs through the very heart of Rivian's digital ecosystem. This platform enables targeted agentic solutions that drive value across our entire operation and our entire vehicle lifecycle. This architecture will fundamentally reshape how we all interact with our Rivians. Today, I'm very excited to announce the Rivian Assistant. The agentic integration allows us to not only connect with your calendar and read it, but also take actions and manage it.
Can you move my call with Tim to 5 p.m.?
I've moved your call with Tim to 5 p.m.
The messaging app with this new AI platform is fully integrated into the vehicle operating system and has access to every single application and control.
Can you send a text message to Wasim and show him the top 3 options from this list? Ask him which one he wants to meet up at and include my ETA.
Would you like to send a message?
You just saw the difference that native integration makes. The assistant has memory, has context, it remembers the full story, who you're talking to, where you're going, and what you just searched for. And then it puts everything into a perfect message.
As you just heard from Wasim, all the work that went into first building a software-defined architecture, developing and building all the electronics that go into the vehicle, and then using that as the foundation for enabling an AI-defined vehicle. This is coming together today. You're seeing the house start to form in front of you. This is something that has been years in the making. So we're very, very excited, and we appreciate all of you being here today.